If you're a budding designer, then you need to hear this. Fashion designing isn't just a career, it's a pandemic-proof passion. Curious? The fashion industry is like magic. It never stops. Everyone needs clothes, right? Even in tough times, designers keep us stylish and safe. Masks and body covers? Thank a designer. If you love drawing and have a creative mind, fashion design could be your dream job. Not only is it fun, but it also keeps your pockets full. And guess what? Designers are some of the highest paid pros out there. Hard work, dedication, and a good degree can make you shine. Fashion schools like Nifty teach you to think outside the box and connect with industry leaders. Start small, keep evolving, and never stop learning. So, are you ready to stitch your future? The world of fashion is waiting for you.